Yes, sana open pang basketball. I've been practicing 4 months.
Ako, I'm thinking about volleyball pero baka mahirapan ko sa drills.
Hindi ko pa alam kung pagpiliin ko. Medyo stressful eh.
Uy, same. Tingnan ko muna yung poster later. Sana may time pa naman, di ba?
Remember, kung papili kayo, siguraduhin niyo kung saan kayo masaya at kung saan makaka-contribute kayo.
Mom, I have a question. Pwede ba sumali more than one club?
Yes, pwede kayo sa dalawa, pero make sure kaya niyo ang schedule.
Wow, pwede pala. So, I might try both basketball and volleyball.
Wait, pero mahirap yan. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong pipiliin ko.
Choices can be easy or confusing. Pero, math concept tulad ng union at if-then makakatulong sa atin to organize decision.
Oh look, dito yung basketball sign up.
Oh, so dito naman yung sa volleyball, sign up. Kaya, parang yung gusto eh.
Well, time to choose. Pero paano kung parehas kung gusto?
Maybe we can split our time naman eh. So, half basketball and half volleyball. What do you think, guys?
Student, tandaan, your choice should reflect your enjoy the most. Pwede niyo i-try ang dalawa.
Excuse me, ma'am. Pwede po ba napalitan namin yung clubs namin by next semester?
Yes, basta communicate. Learning is flexible.
Here, student explore options. Ang union concept sa math ay parang pagsama ng choices, pwede kang kabilang sa isang set o pareho.
I'm joining basketball club.
Ako palagay ko, volleyball club yung sasalitan ko.
I like both basketball and volleyball. So I'll join both.
I choose basketball.
I think volleyball.
Wait, I'm not sure. Can I join basketball then volleyball after practice?
Of course, remember, in union, anyone in set A or set B are count. So kahit pareho, okay lang.
So, union talaga siya. Everyone is included, even mag-isa or pareho.
Wait, cool. Cool na. Grabe kayo pala sa math. Napaka real life and application.
Union combining all members of set A or set B or both.
Listen up, bago magsimula ang festival, if the bells ring, you must go to the gym.
So, ganun pala yung role. Easy lang.
Paano kung ulit yung bell?
Then you wait. Pero pag tumunog ang bell, you must follow the rule.
At least na makakapag-relax o makakapag-ano pa kami ng oras.
Basta huwag lang tumunog yung bell. Kasi gutom na ako eh.
Sana hindi pa eh. Gutom pa kasi ako.
Ako rin. Gutom talaga ako.
Now, ready na ang basketball or volleyball team, pwede na magsimula ang festival.
Yes, union brought us all together.
At ang if-then rule, sigurado on time tayo.
Mom, pwede ka mag-play ng mini-game para mag-warm up?
Good idea. Let's try a quick math challenge. Who's ready?
Mini activities help visualize math concept in real-life situation.
I choose volleyball.
I choose both because I'm already good too.
Everyone sa A or B, part ng union.
And conditional logic shows how words action, guide action.
Then we go to the gym.
Gawin siya kasi at
Math is everywhere, even in everyday decisions.
In this presentation, the student learned how real-life situation can connect to mathematical concept. Through choosing their extracurricular clubs, they discovered the idea of union, which shows how people can belong to set A, set B, or even both. The club choices demonstrated that everyone included in either group becomes part of larger combined set. When the teacher introduced the rule, if the bell rings, then go to the gym. The student also experienced conditional logic. This taught them that certain actions only happen when a specific condition is met, just like how rules work in real life. By the end of a festival, the student realized that math is not only found in numbers or equations. It can be seen in choices, rules, decision-making, schedules, and teamwork. Union help us understand how groups combine, while conditional statements help guide our action and responsibilities. Overall, their journey showed that math is everywhere, shaping the way we think, decide, and interact every day.